What's up guys, Lazy Money UK here, finding the easiest ways to make money online. This is a story about something mildly interesting which happened to me recently.
Yo, listen up!
After you hear the story, comment down below and let me know what you would have done in this situation. If you're a subscriber, you might already know that I like to win money on free-to-play casino games. I added another one of these games to my routine not long ago, called Beat the Drop by Paddy Power. It works in the same way as the TV game show £1 Million Drop. You start off with a hypothetical prize of £1,000 and have to get it through 12 rounds. In each round, you make a yes or no prediction regarding an upcoming sporting event. For example, whether or not a football team will win their match. The amount of money you allocate to the winning outcome is the amount you take through to the next round. You're allowed to split the money between yes and no to give yourself a safety net. Since I have no clue when it comes to sports, I designed a strategy that guarantees a £1 prize to those who can guess the first 3 questions correctly. This is still easier said than done. It tells you how much to put on the predicted losing side from question 4, so you'll always retain enough to end on at least £1. I'd won £2 from doing this so far and was on track to receive a third guaranteed pound. I was up to round 6, meaning I had a £128 pot to allocate. However, it turned out that question 5 had been settled incorrectly. What's supposed to happen in this situation is they take you back to where you were in the game before the error occurred. What actually happened is they reset the game completely, so I lost all my progress. At first, I was disappointed that I wasn't going to get my £1. That's until I logged in the next day to see that they had accidentally credited the £128 pot to my account. I did what any sensible person would do and cashed out immediately without any regard for the consequences.
What will you learn? That your actions have consequences!
Paddy Power eventually noticed their mistake, but by then it was too late. They had already initiated the transfer to my bank account. Since they tried to take the credit back from my account, I now had a balance of minus £128. I'm also banned from playing Beat the Drop. My next move was going to be to close this unusable account, but this would involve contacting their customer service, which would draw attention to my situation. In the end, I decided to just leave it. The money is now sitting in my LoanPad account, where I'm accruing daily interest. I can still pay it back if they decide to come at me, and it means I'll at least have made a profit off the borrowed money. But so far, they haven't said anything.
You know where to find me.
Thanks for watching the video in full. Check out my video on free daily casino games for a fun way to increase your income. I'll see you again soon with some more lazy money making tips.